In order to understand the in-depth process of SEO, you need a guide. There are multiple steps that have to be taken in order to achieve search marketing success, which is why we here at Bruce Clay have created an expert step-by-step guide. If you want to learn how to do SEO for yourself, this SEO guide gives you steps to follow and some free tools you can use on your own website along the way. In this guide, we cover topics including keyword research, competitive analysis, writing content, sitemaps, siloing, media, link building, and more. The Bruce Clay SEO Guide follows the proven methodology that thousands of students have learned in our SEO training courses and is based upon endless hours of SEO research and experiments. We believe that this guide can help you beat your competitors by providing you with the necessary knowledge and tools to create content that is better for your users and optimized for organic search. Once you've gone through and applied these SEO lessons, you should have a quality website capable of maintaining your revenue goals. Best of all, this guide is a free SEO training resource, and if you want to learn how to increase traffic to your website, we believe it's a good place to start. So if you're ready to get started, check out the first lesson in our Bruce Clay SEO guide at bruceclay.com.